Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing different dance forms of India. In this lecture, I will be covering different dance forms of each and every state, especially folk dances. And at the last, I will be discussing multiple choice questions. Hope you will enjoy this class. Let us start our class. The today's topic is dance of different states and multiple choice questions. So let us see what are the different folk dances of different states. So the first is Andhra Pradesh. So as you can see in Andhra Pradesh, we have Kuchipudi dance and Kulatham dance. There is Lambadi dance and Tapeta Gullu dance. Vilasiya Natyam dance, Viratyam dance, Bhamkalpakkam dance and Andhra Natyam. I am going according to the sequence and what is important in that sense. In Arunachal Pradesh we have Bardo Cham dance, which is asked in examination many times, and other names are not so much asked in the examination, but you have to remember all the dances, especially if you can see here Bardo Cham dance is only which is asked in previous examinations. Let us see other state. The other state is Assam. Bihu is most popularly asked in each and every small or big central or state exams. The Naga dance often gets confused with Nagaland, but it is not of Nagaland dance, it is Assam's dance. Other is Nat Puja is also asked. Ankya Nat dance is also asked in examination. The other state is Bihar. In Bihar, we have Jata Dachin dance, we have Bako Bakhayan dance, we have Panvaria dance, we have Sama Chakwa dance, we have Bidesya dance. So in this, Jata Jatin dance and Bidesya are important. Let us see of Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, we have Gaur Maria dance, we have Panthi dance, we have Raut Nacha dance, we have Pandwani dance, we have Vidamati dance, we have Kapalik dance, we have Bhartari dance, we have Chandani dance. So in this, Gaur Maria is important and Raut Nacha is important. These two are frequently asked. In Gujarat, we have Garba, we have Dandiya Ras, we have Tipani, Jurin dance, we have Bhavai dance. In Gujarat, Garba is often asked, so by common sense, we used to mark Garba, and this Dandiya Ras is always asked in terms of Gujarat, so it will be important here. Let us see our next slide. Here we have other state as Haryana. In Haryana, we have Jhumar dance, we have Fag dance, we have Dav dance, we have Damyal dance, we have Lu dance, we have Gugga dance, we have Kho dance, we have Gago dance, we have Ludi dance. So in Haryana, the importance will be here Jhumar. We should not get confused with Ghumar of Rajasthan with Jhumar of Haryana. Both have different dance forms. So remember in mind that the it is JHUMAR here, and in Rajasthan it is GHUMR Ghumar. Let us see our next state. Next state is Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh we have Jhora, we have Jhali, we have Chhari, we have Dhaman, we have Chapeli, we have Mahasu, we have Nati, we have Dangi. So in Himachal Pradesh the important is here Nati, it's always asked in examination, and Jhora. If you will go with previous year questions of many examination, you will also come to know that what are the most important dance forms which are asked. Let us see our next state. That next state is Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, we have Agni, we have Jhumar, we have Jani Jhumar, we have Mardana Jhumar, we have Paka, we have Fagu, we have Hunta dance, we have Mundari dance, we have Sarhul, we have Barao, we have Jhitka, we have Danga, we have Domkach, and we have Ghoranach. As you can see, there are so much of dance forms which is very difficult for us to remember. The easiest way to remember this all the dance forms are to solve as many as multiple choice questions, which I will be doing after I will be completing my list of folk dances of different states. So other is the next state is Jammu and Kashmir. So in Jammu and Kashmir, the important one will be Rauf dance, which is often asked, and this one only. Okay. So the other are Hikat, other is Manjas. We have Kud, Danchi, Nach dance, and the Mali dance. The other state is Karnataka. The Karnataka, we have Vyash Gangan, we have Hutari, we have Soggi, we have Kunitha, we have Karga, and we have Lambi. So in Karnataka, yes, Yashagan is important and Lambi is important. Let us see our next state. Our next state is Kerala. In Kerala, Kathakali, the classical dance, is important. Uttam Thulal is important. Moini Attam is important. And Kaikoti Kali is important. So here, in terms of examination, here in terms of examination, Kathakali is important. Moini Attam is important. Okay. Our next state is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, we have Jawara, we have Matki, we have Ada, we have Khada Naach dance, we have Fulpatti dance, we have Grida dance. So let us mark some important dance. Grida dance is important, Fulpatti is important, Jawara is important, and Khada Naach is important. Let us see our next state. We have Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, we have Lavani dance, we have Nakata dance, we have Koli dance, we have Lezim dance, we have Gaffa dance, we have Dahi Kala dance, Dastwar or Bohada dance. So Lavani is important here and Gaffa dance is important here. So you have to continuously revise to get all this in mind. Keep the screenshot, keep revising every day. Let us see our next slide. In this we will be discussing our next state, that is Odisha. Odisha, we have Odissi, the classical dance. We have Savari, we have Ghumara, we have Panka, we have Munari, and we have Chau dance. So in terms of importance, I will be saying that here it is Odissi is very important, and Ghumara is important, and Chau is also important. For our next state is West Bengal. We have Kathi dance, we have Gambira dance, we have Dhali dance, we have Ball, we have Marasia, we have Mahal, we have Kirtan, we have Brita dance, we have Chau dance, and we have Tusu dance. So Brita, Chau, Tusu, last three are important, and Kathi and Gambira are also important here. In terms of Punjab, we have Bhangra, we have Gidda, we have Daf, we have Daman, we have Bhand, and we have Nakal. So in Punjab, we will importing Bhangra. We all know that Bhangra is dance form of Punjab, and Gidda is also a dance form of Punjab. If you are frequently in touch with examination questions, you will be knowing that it is often asked as 1 mark in 1 mark question. Our next state is Rajasthan. Rajasthan, we have Ghumar. So here we have Ghumar, Ghumar. Don't get confused with Haryana Jhumar. Okay. So here it is Ghumar. We have Chakri, we have Gangor, we have Jhulan, we have Leela, we have Jhuma, we have Susaini, we have Khapal, and we have Kalbelia. So here Ghumar is important. Okay. Other state is Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, Bharatnatyam, Kumi, Kolattam, and Kavadi. So in Tamil Nadu, Bharatnatyam is important. In Uttar Pradesh, we have Nautanki, we have Ras Leela, we have Kajri, we have Jora, we have Chapeli, we have Jaita, and we have Charkula. So in Uttar Pradesh, we have important is Nautanki dance and Ras Leela dance. Let us see our next state. Our next state is Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, we have Garhwali, we have Kumayuni, we have Kajari, we have Jora, we have Ras Leela, and we have Cholia. So in Uttarakhand, the important is Kajari and we have Garhwali. Okay. The other state is Manipur. In Manipur, the importance is not been so much asked in examination, but as it is not been asked in examination, so we have to see all the dances. Let us see. The first one is Dol Cholam dance. The other is Thangta dance. We have other is Lai Haroba dance. The other is Pung Cholam dance. The other is Khamba Thaibi dance. The other is Nupa dance. The other is Ras Leela dance. So by mistake I've included this Ras Leela, it will not be here. Okay, is dance form of Uttar Pradesh. The other is Khubak dance. The other is Lohu Shah dance. So it is a bit difficult to remember all this. So the so let us remember it by like dole. Take the main words as dole. Take as like khamba. Take this as like nupa. Take as like thang. Take as like pung. Like el how. So you can make some funny tricks and you can remember this. Let's take our next state. Our next state is Meghalaya. Laho and Nokren, these are two dance form here. Mizoram Chero dance, it is also asked in examination many a times. So keep that in mind that Chero dance is of Mizoram. Let us see our next slide. Our next state is Nagaland. So in Nagaland we have bamboo dance and we have Rangma dance. In Tripura we have Hojagiri dance. In Sikkim we have Snowland dance, we have Singi Cham dance, we have Kukri Nach dance, we have Chatki Nach, we have Maruni dance, and we have Kagya dance. So you will be seeing the MCQs in the upcoming lecture. So you will be getting a good idea about Sikkim also. And our last is Lakshadweep, Lava, Kokali, and Pari Chakali dance. So here we have completed our dance forms of different states, and the point is how to remember all this. To remember all this, let us solve some multiple choice questions. So our first multiple choice question is, Kathak is the classical dance of, the first option is Kerala, North India, Manipur and Tamil Nadu. As you have seen, I have discussed earlier that Kathak, the Kathakali, the classical dance form is of Kerala. Kerala is in South India. So remember this. Okay, I have included one dance form also. This Kathak means a storyteller. Means the dance form is like the movement of the eyes is like the person is telling some story, and that makes a classical dance form of Kathak. Okay, let's see our next question. Rauf is a full dance. It has its origin in Rauf is a full dance of Kashmir. You can see that the group of women performing the Rauf dance. Rauf is a full dance, and remember that it is of Kashmir. It is also asked in examinations. All the questions what I have included has been asked in different types of examination. So let us see our next multiple choice question. Bharatnatyam is a dance form of. So remember that Bharatnatyam is a dance form of Tamil Nadu, and this is the dance form, and this is the style in which the dance form is performed. Okay, let us see our next MCQ. Name the popular folk song of Uttar Pradesh. The folk song of Uttar Pradesh is Kajri. Okay, let us see our next question. Ganagur is the folk dance of. So Ganagur is the folk dance of Rajasthan. As you can see, as the group of women has gathered together to perform this dance. So you can relate with this picture here. So Ghumar is also a dance form of Rajasthan, very important dance form of Rajasthan, and Ganagur is also the important folk dance of Rajasthan. Let us see our next multiple choice question. Which state of India Luddi dance is performed? In Luddi dance performed in Haryana. You will get many information from these questions. You will be interested to know that how they used to perform the dance. As you can see here, they raise their hand and they are singing song, they are performing the dance. So if you are interested, you can see in YouTube the very beautiful dance, Luddi dance of Haryana. Let's see our next question. Ankiya Nath is a dance form of. Ankiya Nath is the same as theatre form of they used to depict the story of Mahabharata in this, and it is performed in Assam. Okay, let us see our next question. Tribhanga body position is associated with which of the following classical dance form? So before giving the answer, let me discuss that what do you mean by Tribhanga. Tribhanga means three body position. As you can see, one position of body part, that is the leg, the other is the hands and the other is on the hip. As you can see that this the dance form is Odissi dance form, which is from the state of Odisha, and Tribanga body position is associated with which of the following classical dance form? The answer will be Odissi. Tribanga meaning a dance form in which three body parts are bent all together. So this is the dance form, beautiful dance form. You can check in YouTube, beautiful dance form. Okay, so the answer will be C. Let us see our next question. Name a folk dance with social themes. It has two main tradition: Hathras tradition and Kanpur tradition. So this is the dance forms of Uttar Pradesh. As you can remember that I have told you that Nautanki is the dance form of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Let us see our next question. The Kagyat dance is a typical of Sikkim. I have told you that you will see a questions on Sikkim. So here is the question. The Kagyat dance is a typical dance form of Sikkim. Okay. Let us see our next question. Which is the dance, Rajasthani dance, that is performed by women by carrying earthen pots on their heads? The answer is Panihari dance. As you can see that the woman here has taken earthen pot on her head and performing the dance. It is also a dance from Rajasthani. Other question is, our next question is, which of the following folk dance is performed by women in Punjab? The answer is Giddha. If you can remember, I have discussed Giddha, and here are the women which are performing the Giddha dance. So remember that Giddha is a dance, folk dance, it is especially a folk dance of Punjab. Okay. Our next question is Tamasha or Lalwani is the folk dance of which Indian state? So it is the Indian state of Maharashtra. So I have also included the picture there, so you can easily relate. Which other question is, which of these dancers are performed on the edge of brass plate? So they used to perform by taking brass plate on their hands. This is the dance form known as Kuchipudi. Okay. Let us see our next question. So Karnataka is famous for the dance form of Yashagana. As you can see, here they are performing Yashagana dance form. So remember this. Let us see our next question. Kuchipudi dance originated in Andhra Pradesh. So I have discussed in question number 14 that Kuchipudi, they have taken brass plate in their hands and they are performing the dance form. So remember that Kuchipudi dance form of Andhra Pradesh, and they used to take brass plate on their hands and perform the dance form. Okay. Let us see our next question. Bihu is a dance form of, very important, always asked in examination. Just keep in mind that Bihu is a dance form of Assam. Okay. You can see in the picture how they are performing the dance. Our next question is Chau is a dance form of. The Chau is a dance form of Bihar. Okay, you can see in the question, you can see in the photo how they are performing. Beautiful dance form. Our next question is Garhwali is a dance of Uttarakhand. Okay, this is a full dance of Uttarakhand. Garhwali, important. Okay. Our next question is Hathari is a dance form of Karnataka. Okay. If you will try to remember like this, you will not be able to remember in your life. But if you will see the picture, automatically an image will form in your mind. Just keep learning and keep revising. Our next question is Khantum is a dance form of Mizoram. If you can see in the question how they are performing in the picture, that how they are performing dance form, it will be easy for you to remember. This is the Khantum dance form performed in Mizoram. Our next question is Laho is a dance form of Meghalaya. As you can see that how they are performing the dance form. So Meghalaya is not been asked in the question, but in future it may be asked. So Laho is a dance form of Meghalaya. Nati is a dance form of Himachal Pradesh. I have discussed it earlier also. Nati is a dance form of Himachal Pradesh. You can see in the question how they are performing. So cultural dance forms are very important for the state because each and every dance form has a message to the society, and it has lots of feeling associated with people. So it is very important for all of us to remember the dance forms of each and every state. So let us see our next question. The dance performed by women to invoke rain in Bihar is, as I have told you just now, that each and every dance form has a relation with something special. So as you can see the question, the dance performed by women to invoke rain in Bihar is Jata Jatin dance. So here it is, Jata Jatin dance is performed in Bihar for rain. Okay. Our next question is, which of the following dance belong to Meghalaya? So the answer is Wangalo Laho dance belong to Meghalaya. So it has not been asked till date. I have made this question. It may be asked. Let's see. So thank you very much.